Welcome everyone back to another video, and today we're gonna check out how to get Venmo statements. Alright, let's not waste any time, let's get into it. The first method is through the Venmo app. So first thing you want to do is to open the Venmo app, tap the three horizontal lines or the gear icon, tap settings, scroll down, tap accounts, tap statements, then select the statement period you want to view for the last 30 days, last 3 months, 6 months, a year, whatever, and then tap generate statements. So once that is done, it will generate your statement for that period. Now the second method is through the Venmo website. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Venmo accounts on the Venmo website. Click on your profile pictures or username in the top right corner. Click settings from the drop down menu, then scroll down to the account section, click statements, select the statement period you want to view, and click generate statements. Once that is done, it'll generate the statement for you. Now you can download the statements in CSV or PDF documents. To download the statements, after you click generate statement, there will be an option for download, and once you click that, you're gonna have that in your device. Alright, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you liked that video. If you like it, make sure you leave a like, comment on what you thought about the video, share the video to anyone else you think might be useful for them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and of course don't forget to click that notification bell so you never miss an update for one of our awesome videos. Catch you guys next time. Peace.